You love. It's not for me to say. You love.
Hey nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. It's your girl Tia Bella. Madam Glam was kind enough to send me over 4 of their gel polishes. Now you may have seen videos of this collection already. This is their Macaron collection that they launched in early March. And my packages in Ireland tends to take such an extended period of time, so sometimes I'm just late and behind everyone else. But nonetheless, the colors in this collection are absolutely stunning. So I'm going to be showing you 4 of the colors. I believe there are 10 colors in the entire Macaron collection, and they just range from greens and purples and blues. Gorgeous colors, and they are vegan and cruelty free, and they are highly pigmented. So if you end up being interested in any of these gel polishes, I do have a discount code. I will have that linked down in the description. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm just going to quickly swatch these beautiful 4 colors, and then we're going to get into a quick and easy nail design. I really like the name of this collection, Macaron. The colors are so delicious. This first one here is definitely giving me some pistachio mint kind of vibes. I feel like this would pair really nicely with one of the brown gel polishes that I have from Madam Glam. They are absolutely gorgeous colors. So in today's video, like I mentioned, I already have these full cover stilettos applied to my nail. I did use some primer and press-on glue from Double Dip to apply the nails, and then I already used my Melody Susie drill to kind of buff them up and get them ready for the nail design in this video. All right, and the remaining 3 colors, I feel like this one gave me like a kind of periwinkle kind of vibe. It's like a in-between color of a blue and a purple combined together. It's such a beautiful color, and I don't have anything similar to this color in my collection, so I'm really glad that they sent me. Now, the other 2 remaining colors, one is more like a pastel blue and the other is like a pastel purple, and I feel like if that pastel blue and that pastel purple combines into one, that's what that periwinkle color would have given me. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch the remaining colors, and then I'm going to give them a cure under my UV lamp for 30 seconds. Then I'll add some top coat and then give it another cure for another 30 seconds. All right, so here is the final color here. Let me know down in the comments if you have any favorites of these colors that I have, or maybe a favorite from the entire collection. I would have loved to get the other colors. I think this collection is such a pretty collection. The colors are just perfect for spring and perfect for summer. So I definitely shout out and a huge thank you to Madam Glam for sending me their gel polishes. I'm just really appreciative that they consider like a little small YouTuber as myself. All right, so once I have these all cured and I put some top coat onto them, and here's how they look once they have been cured. And then here is a quick look at them in natural light, and then you kind of see the difference between all of the colors a little bit better. So now let's get into the nail design. I have my base and top coat here, and I'm also going to be using this blueberry cream and bubble bath to create the nails for today. Like I said, I've already buffed these nails, so now I'm just going to go in with a thin layer of base gel over the entire nail and give this a cure for 30 seconds. After I'm done curing, I'm going to go in with this color here, which is called Bubble Bath. This was in a previous, I think this was the last Madam Glam packaging that I did, I think. And I have not used this yet. So when I was applying this to my nail, guys, this was a pure nail-gasm. This is such a stunning holographic color. I mean, it has the right amount of translucency. It's not too transparent. It has the right amount of color. It is just so pretty. I'm so impressed with all of the colors that I've received from Madame Glam thus far. Absolutely gorgeous colors. So I'm just applying this to my thumb and my ring finger, giving it a full coverage, and then I go in under my UV lamp for 30 seconds. Now for the remaining fingers, I'm going to use this blueberry cream, and we're just going to go over the entire nail and then give it a quick cure for 30 seconds. All right, here's how the nails are looking so far. I keep getting lint trapped onto my nails, and I don't know where the lint is coming from. Like, I wipe my nails down with isopropyl alcohol and they still find a way to get there. Anyway, so for my index finger as well as my middle finger, I'm going to do a little French on to these stilettos. Now, a quick question, guys. These stilettos are almond because I've been getting some comments on Instagram. And so much people was like, they not stilettos, boo-boo, they are almond nails. Get it together. I was like, okay, sis, tell me how you really feel. You know what I mean? But anywho, we can call them stilettos because when I purchased them from AliExpress, they said stilettos, boo-boo. What was I saying before I got distracted? So I'm going to do a French on these stilettos using that gorgeous bubble bath. I'm going to take my line art brush and kind of create the lines on the side. I'm just going to put a little bit of bubble bath onto like a little palette, a nail palette, and then we're going to draw the remaining lines on to the nail. All right, so if you look at your lines and you see any areas that need a little bit of cleaning up, you could just take a nail art brush with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and you can kind of clean up those lines and make them nice and sharp and crispy. All right, so I am satisfied with how the lines are turning out. So I'll go in and cure that for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with some top coat over the entire nails. Now we are going to go ahead and add some bling onto the nail. So once I have the top coat on, I don't immediately cure it. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of rhinestone glue. And I'm going to be adding a butterfly, a rose, and some of these like cherry blossoms. I don't know. I've been so obsessed with these little flowers. Lately I've been doing a lot of designs, well, not a lot, but I've just been using them a lot because they're just so cute. And spring is almost over, so just maybe another month to go, and then we'll be into the summer season, and then I'll be able to do some summer designs. I still have to do an Easter design, and this month I'm going to be doing a 420 design, and I also have the Kawaii collab coming up. The 420 also is a collab coming up. So it's going to be a fun and exciting month of lots of nail art videos. So stay tuned for that. I also have some acrylic videos coming up, guys. So stay tuned for that as well. So just bracing you for another fun month of nail art. So here I am layering all of the flowers onto the nail, just giving you a detailed look at how I put on the flowers onto the nail. You can definitely do the exact same thing. I feel like the butterflies and flowers are definitely the #1 trending nail art on Instagram at the moment. All right. Once I have these on, I give them a cure under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Now, for the index finger, the middle finger, and the pinky finger, I'm just going to go in with 3 flowers. I'm going to do a large pink flower and then 2 small flowers to the side of each nail. And here's how the nails turned out. Super easy and quick nail design. They are absolutely beautiful. A huge thank you again to Madame Glam for sending me these amazing gel polishes. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.